model warning.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to my RC Chop Shop. And today we're gonna do something with this little guy. This is the Eachine trash can, really awesome 2S whoop, and it comes with a double 1S configuration as far as the power lead, and I added an XT30. And so I'm gonna go through how to add an XT30, and we're gonna add a buzzer to this little guy. And check it out, got these new props. These are the new Gemfan 1635s. They're actually 40mm props, but they're really awesome looking props. They come in two different flavors. This is the 4-bladed version there, and this is the 3-bladed version. We have different shaft sizes as well. We have the 1mm shaft and the 1.5mm shaft, and I only purchased the 1mm shafts, mounting holes on them. Anyhow, this video is about modding this guy, so let's jump right into it. Let me show you guys right where the buzzer pads are. They are these tiny little pads here. We have the positive on this side and the negative on this side. Here's the diagram here for you guys to follow if you're trying to do it and you can't see these little tiny pads that I'm looking at. We're going to be using some flux, some no clean flux paste. Got a little bit of flux to come up. Oh, and a little bit turned into a lot. Check it out, y'all. We got this much coming out now. So we're going to try to get something to dab it. Try to use this screwdriver to be precise. Okay, we got a little flux on it. There we go. We got one of them. Got one of them to take a little solder. Got a little cap real close to it there. Let's try to zoom in a little more. There we go. So we got that cap off to the side there, and that's getting in the way a little. I think we got some on that one too now. And I'm going to have to heat the soldering iron up a little hotter. Maybe that's our problem here with those little tiny pads. Maybe the iron isn't hot enough, so I'm heating the iron up now to a higher temp. Put it up to 450 now. Okay. Got the negative off. And the positive is off. So let's get this little guy soldered up. Already some flux on here, so no, we're not going to mess with the flux. Looks like we got it, guys. Hopefully we don't get the magic smoke. Let's plug it in real quick. There we go. So we got it. Pardon the sound, I had to turn the heat on. Getting a little cold in here. But let's try to get this positive wire attached go. Got the positive on. See if we can get the negative on. Got the negative on. So the flux did work out. Got those two on. Okay, now let's get this buzzer on. Have to remember the longest end on the buzzer is the positive. I didn't realize I was off camera when I put that positive on. Not the best soldering job on this buzzer, but let's check it and see if it works. Yep. So let's put this guy back together. Alright y'all, this is a bit of bonus footage with this little guy. We got the buzzer added. Check it out. So we're just going to do a line of sight flight with this really quickly with these props on it. We're going with the 3-bladed version. And it's freezing out here, guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's really windy out here. I'm freezing. My hands are frozen. And I'm fighting winds, acro mode here. It might be a little too windy to fly this little guy in acro mode. Most of the flight, I'm just going to be fighting the wind. And the wind's taking it away, guys. I'm just gonna land it for now. And so this is a good time to test that buzzer. So hopefully the battery's still in this little guy. Let's see. Yep. I don't have FPV right now. Oh, but there it is. So luckily we landed here. Flip it over. And it's back in effect. Let me fix the battery. So I think that's all we're gonna do with it right now. No damage done to it. Maybe a little damage done to my pride for the long walk of shame. I'm flying it in angle mode now. A little easier to fight the wind in angle mode. So these props seem to work really nice. One problem I am having with these props though is removing them. Super hard to remove them. They fit really tight. Bring this guy in for a landing. And my hands are frozen. The Eachine trash can. Thanks for watching.